Hello, Shashank. How are you?
Hi Piyush, how are you, sir? All good by the grace of God.
Yeah, same here. All good. Namaskar, Rajesh Vachher ji.
नमस्कार जी,
Welcome.
नमस्कार. How are
I'm
you?
sure I'm absolutely fine by the grace of God. How about you, sir?
Very fine, very fine.
Great. So I think our viewers like what we have been sharing. So one of the concepts I think our viewers को थोड़ा clarity चाहिए is about this concept of pagdi. तो
Okay.
ये क्या concept है और इसको वो किस तरह समझ सकते हैं that if they are going to get involved in a transaction, क्या है इसका historical background और अभी इसका क्या status है? थोड़ा सा
Nowadays,
इसमें
please carry on. Yeah.
नहीं इसमें थोड़ा सा आपका views चाहिए.
Actually, nowadays Pagdi is nowhere.
Okay.
Because when it was started,
Right.
people if want to buy a part of the property, or there are 100 shops in a building, supposing, and a client want to buy just one shop, but he cannot buy on subject to sale deed.
Okay.
So at that time, part of the property is not allowed of sale deed. Nowadays, you can have sale deed of 10%, 5%, but earlier it was not allowed. Ki you 100% only is allowed sale deed. Okay. So people are bound, और समझ लीजिए आप मजबूर होते थे कि they have to, if want to buy a shop to work there, they have to pay pagdi, and at that time people do think कि we are no owners.
अच्छा.
So part of the property allowed नहीं था आप sale deed करना. तो पीपल क्या करें बेचारे क्लाइंट में जो बायर थे वो यही करते थे और ये सोच जाते हैं कि हम अब इनके मालिक बन गए.
ओके.
हाँ, तो बेचारे जैसे अब मालिक तो बने नहीं. आजकल जो रेंट कंट्रोल एक्ट है वो थोड़ा उनके फेवर में नहीं है. these nowadays it is in the favor of owners. अब ऑनर चाहे खाली कराए तो वो बोनाफाइड डाल सकता है कि आई नीड इट फॉर माई सेल्फ. वो बोनाफाइड केस डाल देगा. वो भी बोनाफाइड तब डाल सकता है जब वो 5 साल मालिक बन जाए. आफ्टर 5 years, जैसे मैं मालिक हूँ किसी शॉप का, until and unless, मतलब until and unless 5 years आफ्टर पास होने के बाद ही मैं उसको भाई केस डाल सकता हूँ खाली करने का. उससे पहले मैं उससे खाली नहीं करा सकता. बोनाफाइड डालूंगा कि मुझे नीडफुल है तो भैया खाली कर. या हाँ, या प्रेजेंट लीज हम बोलेंगे भी तू दे रहा 500 रुपए रेंट, बाजार का रेंट है 5 लाख रुपए. हाँ, प्रेजेंट लीज इसको कहते हैं. प्रेजेंट लीज हम उसमें डाल देंगे. हम प्रेजेंट लीज तो 5 लाख रुपए हम बाजार की 1-2 लीज उसको पेश कर देंगे कोर्ट में कि भैया दीज आर द प्रेजेंट रेट्स ऑफ दिस शॉप एंड ही इज पेइंग 500.
तो सर इसमें जब उन्होंने पहले समझ लीजिए बहुत साल पहले जब पगड़ी एंटर करी होगी तो कुछ भी राइटिंग में नहीं होता था.
ये राइटिंग होता था ना. वो तो एग्रीमेंट बनता था, रेंट एग्रीमेंट या एग्रीमेंट ही बनता था कि आई हैव पेड सो मच ऑफ मनी. But neither it was registered. You cannot register that document.
अच्छा. ओके.
First of all,
so it's unregistered this.
Unregistered होता था. कच्चे में पैसे दे दिए उसने, बस. That's all. Sale deed allowed नहीं होती थी part of the property. इसलिए पगड़ी का प्रचलन चला था.
Right. और उसमें कुछ ये भी होता था कि मतलब it is for 50 years या 60 years, कुछ duration नहीं mention होता था even if it was there. ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
वो जो ड्यूरेशन है that is in lease deed of DDA और MCD. अगर आप यूज नहीं कराते हैं तो लीज डीड में लिखा होता है यू आर ऑनर या मतलब टेनेंट फॉर 99 years, 79 years, 59 years, 50 years. वो उसमें होता है लीज डीड में. लीज डीड कहता है. दूसरा डीडीए के भी लीज डीड कहते हैं. इसमें कोई इसमें वो नहीं होता.
Okay. So आजकल I think Shashank there are a lot of cases which are coming with regards to litigations around this. Can you throw some light around what is the contention, what is the issue that you are noticing in the Pagdi transactions?
See, Piyush, obviously, owners, the properties, the commercial, whatever properties, Pagdis by the tenants or people. So the value of those are in crores, right?
Okay.
So the landlord shouldn't be at a loss. So for that, the government has made specific acts and Delhi Rent Control Act is there, Model Tenancy Act is there, Transfer Property Act is there. So those are the stringent laws are there now. So if a person wants to vacate a tenant who's been there since long, he has to say that, why does he want him to be vacated, as Rajesh stated. So one has to show a reason. That is a bona fide use. You want it for your own use or for some, meaningful purpose. That is why you want him to be vacated. Right.
Okay.
Secondly, you can ask for file a suit for mean profits. That is, you can ask for the market value. The market value as per the shops is, like Rajesh stated, 5 lakhs is a shop over general high street, right? And that the Pagdi guy is paying around 500. So how do you, compare that? So there has to be some bar. So if eviction order is passed, so for that the tenant has to vacate. Along with it, he has to pay the market value rent.
Okay.
Years he has been in possession.
Right. And even this, just like Rajesh ji explained, that there is a 5-year period of notice.
No. 5-year period until मतलब आप ऑनर 5 years हो जाए उसके बाद कर सकते हैं कुछ.
Oh, okay.
Legal possession of that. Yeah.
Right. And obviously the legal thing would
After
be only
5 years of ownership.
Only
then.
Right. And ownership is established either through mutation or, well, actually that will be the only
any registered document or unregistered document, your honor.
Okay.
Earlier it was allowed unregistered attorney, GPA, SPA.
100.
But nowadays registered document are necessary. Whereas I think.
Okay. Okay. Right. So now Pagdi is not there, and we have clients who want, let's say, some of the big brands who want some premium space. So any tips for them कि वो क्या अपने रखें दिमाग में?
In that case, if I am a tenant in a shop, like on Pagdi, I have a shop.
Hanji.
So I want to give it on rent to any brand or any company or anyone.
Hanji.
I cannot sublet it. If I give it on rent and make a lease deed, I cannot do that. I am not authorized. Only I can make a franchisee agreement, consignor agreement, licensor agreement. I can make. Like I show on that is unregistered document. I cannot register that.
Right.
If I register, I have to show that I have given this on lease on this particular amount. So in that case, owner will suit a sublet case on me. Yeah, he has subletted my shop. So in that case, I have to make a franchisee agreement, license, whatever agreement I can make. In that case, I show that I am taking raw material or material, dents, cloth, shoes, whatever, from him and then selling it on commission basis. All the expenses are borne by that company, like electricity bill, labor, all that. I will only get commission on that. I will show this on agreement.
Oh, so okay. So this is
that
another
case,
solution that you are offering.
In that case, owner is helpless.
Sorry, sir.
In that case, owner is helpless. He cannot do anything subletting or whatever.
Got it, sir. Got it. Right. That is very helpful. Very helpful. So, Shashank, because this is something which is of a previous age, you can say of maybe 3 or 4 decades old practice of Pagdi, is there something which is nowadays that you're noticing in some emerging markets also? Anything that you'd like to share about commercial properties in other markets?
Piyush, nowadays, since the population is the major problem for India, the congestion is another problem because of that. So people, if I personally want to move out my house, I'll go to a place or a market which is easily accessible and approachable. I can park my car, I can just shop and just leave. So that now wide roads, high streets are coming in. You talk about Pusa Road, that's the big thing now. Ring Road, a lot of things are coming up. You talk about the highways. Now the very larger high streets are coming up with a lot of commercial, now stilt parking is also necessary. It has to be made as per the sanction plan. All these norms such as fire licenses and everything has to be taken. All the permissions from the MCD has to be taken for the signages and all the other permissions. So all the things have to be kept in mind now before even constructing a commercial property or leasing it out. So everything has to be kept in mind now. So because everyone has become now mind conscious is there कि भाई मैं कहीं बाहर जा रहा हूँ, so मुझे I have to be hurry up. The Corona times also there. You just want to shop and just come back. You just want to